In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a WhatsApp account without verification code on laptop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up WhatsApp just like so, and then you want to go to the official whatsapp.com website right over here. Now you guys have multiple different options once you're here. You guys could either use WhatsApp on the web browser itself, or you can go ahead and download the WhatsApp application. So it really is up to you. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and press over here where it does say login, and I'm going to be using WhatsApp on the actual web browser itself. So over here, you guys are able to go ahead and log in. However, if you want to go ahead and create a brand new account, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option over here that says get started. Then it is going to take you to a page that does look like this, and then there you go. So we'll say welcome to WhatsApp. So the first thing it's going to make you do, it is going to go ahead and make you scan this QR code. So you will need to go ahead and use your mobile device. So please take out your mobile device, whether you're on Android or iOS, and scan the QR code. So obviously if you're on iOS, you want to select over here where it says iOS and then scan the QR code for iOS. But me personally, I'm on an Android, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on Android right here, and then I'm going to scan this QR code really quickly. All right, and after you scan the QR code, it is going to let you download WhatsApp, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on open. Okay, then from here, you're going to get a page that looks like this, and it's going to ask you for which language you do prefer. So please go ahead and select on the language right over here, and then there you go. It will say welcome to WhatsApp, so please press on agree and continue. Then what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and decide whether you want WhatsApp to send you notifications or not. That is completely up to you. And now all you want to do from here is you want to enter in a phone number. Now obviously you could go ahead and enter in just your personal phone number, but if you don't want to do that and you want to use like a phone number that's not your actual personal phone number, then what you guys could do is actually get a virtual phone number. So let me show you guys how to do that really quickly. So you want to go to this website over here called Online SIM right over here. All right, so here we are, and then basically what you guys could do is you could select on the country where you want your WhatsApp account to be located in. So let's go ahead and set it to Britain, for example, and then you guys can go ahead and select any one of these phone numbers over here and basically enter it in the WhatsApp application, and then it is going to go ahead and send a code over here, and you will need to refresh this page right over here in order to actually receive the code. So just keep that in mind. But obviously at the end of the day, you could always just use your regular phone number and you should be able to get verification like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.